So right now it's pretty calm. And the TV keeps cutting in and out once in a while. See?
The Ghost Festival. Apple and pineapple ghosts. The edible arrangement stuff. Women, did you have a metric sling during surgery for pelvic organ collapse? These cause terrible side effects.
I'll wait till a gust of wind comes.
If you've suffered serious complications from metric products, you may be entitled. Call 1-800.
A nature documentary. A foreign love story. A horror film about a serial killer bee. The right sound makes all the difference, and the right education can help you make the right sound.
See where that white car is? Where the back of the white van and then there's a white car behind it? There was a different car there, and that's where the utility pole. There was a car sitting right there, right where the white car is. And the utility pole went straight through the front windshield.
After 2 days of shopping, do we need the new trendy hairstyles to fit the house? Look, we're going to get hair.
I don't know if you can see it very well, but there's been a few gusts of wind while I've been recording. Not too bad, but it's the beginning of it. And that tree doesn't move very often, so you know it's pretty strong wind.
I've been working on the past few days because I don't have hair to go with. I'd like to change you up rather quick. I'm going to donate this time. Okay. Yeah, how you feeling right now?
So, see you tomorrow.